Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the chapter 9, Internet and Email Account, and we will learn about what is an email and how to create email account. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on the internet to send and receive messages anywhere around the world in real time. The best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to number of persons at a time. We can attach photos, videos or important data along with our messages. These extra files are called attachments. Do you know the first ever email was sent by Raymond Samuel Tomlinson? Now we will proceed with email account. How to create email account? In order to use the email facility on the internet, first we have to create an email account. We have to select a username, that is email address, and provide a secret code, that is password, along with our particulars like name, address, date of birth, etc. There are many websites on the internet which provide us with the facility of free email accounts like Gmail, AlertPay, PayPal, Windows Live Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. The popular sites are www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.co.in and www.rediff.com. Now, what is an email address? An email address consists of a username and a domain name. Here you can see username is given and password is here. What is an email address? A username is the name of a person's account by which the server identifies him on the website. Every email account has a unique email address, which means no two individuals in the world can have the same email address. For example, Kips Learning, it is a username @gmail.com. Gmail.com is domain name. Now, creating an email account. Let us understand how to create an email account and get your email address. Connect to the internet. Open the website www.gmail.com. Click on the Create Account link and proceed to the next page. A registration form will appear. Fill the registration form, choose a username and password. Accept the agreement. Now an email account gets created if all the entries have been filled properly. Let us know more about a strong password consists of at least 8 characters that are a combination of letters in both uppercase and lowercase. Numbers and special symbols are as allowed. After creating an email account, it can be used to send and receive emails. To use the email account, one must log in with the username and password. The login and sign-in system of different mail accounts may differ, but they all have the identical features. Inbox. It displays information about all the received mails. Each message header displays the sender name, subject line, time and date when the mail is received and sometimes the size of message too. To read any mail, click on it. The mail will be displayed in a new window. Now compose or write mail. To write a mail, one has to click on the compose option. It will open a new window with the following components. 2. Here we can type the email address of the person to whom we want to send the email. CC stands for carbon copy. In this field, one can specify the address of the person to whom one wants to send a copy of mail. The email addresses mentioned in this field are visible to all the recipients. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It is also used to send copy of the mail to several people, but the email address is mentioned in this field are not visible to the recipients. Subject. It is a brief description of the mail which gives to the recipient an idea about the message. What is message? You can type the message just like a normal letter with greetings, one or more paragraph and your name at the bottom. You can also format the text using the available features. Sending an email. After composing an email, click on the send button. The mail will be sent to its recipients.